Hello, welcome to Bloom Art by SW. In this episode, we're going to take some small steps into getting back into creativity, just one brushstroke at a time. If maybe you're just getting started or have been thinking about picking up a paintbrush, well, you're in the right place. All we're going to do is just simply paint leaves today. Keep it really simple, no pressure, no perfection. We're just going to paint. You can do a light sketch if you want, or if you're not comfortable with drawing, I'm happy to leave a sketch in the description. All you guys need to do is, if you do want that, just leave me a comment saying, leave me a leaf drawing in the comments. If I get 10 comments saying that, I will add a free leaves drawing in the description. So then you can come back and you can upload that and have a free leaf drawing if you would like. So let's get into it. Let me quickly tell you about my supplies. So I've got a sketchbook here. It's just a small sketchbook. It's actually Baohong paper, and this is a new sketchbook that they've done, but use what you have. Don't feel pressure into using exactly what I've got. And I'm using Winsor and Newton, the Cotman watercolour range. And it's just a small pocket set, and we're just going to use one colour as well, by the way. So again, use what you have. I've got a size 8 silver black velvet brush, and it's got a small tippy point, but like I keep saying, please use what you have. Don't feel like you have to go out and get exactly what I've got. And this isn't going to be long. This is only going to be like 5 minutes or so. Don't want it to take too long for you if it is something that you've been looking to get back into. I'm going to use one colour. You choose whatever colour you like. I'm going to go with a green colour, and this one is sap green. So make sure as well you spritz it with a little bit of water as well just before you start. And just mix a little bit onto your palette. Don't know if you can see my palette there. There you go. And to start off with, doesn't matter if you have too much water on there. Obviously don't have it completely soaking wet. Don't worry too much about it. I just want you to get a feel and get paint onto paper. So all you're going to do is the line. That's going to be the stem, and you're just going to pop your paintbrush down, move it along slightly, and then lift it up as you're still moving it along, and then that's your first leaf. And that's it for that one. We're going to leave that one like that and do another one. Put them wherever you want to on the page, absolutely no problem where you want to leave it. And do one exactly the same. Do your line, pop your brush down like so, move it along nice and slowly, and then lift up nice and slowly. And then the same thing again, pop your brush down and then lift up nice and slowly. And you've got a few small leaves on there. Just so that you know, this paper is 100% cotton paper. For you to use whatever you want to use. The effects that you get might be slightly different depending on what you're using, but it really doesn't matter. Like I say, no perfection. You're just having a go at painting leaves. So once again, there's your stem. Press your paintbrush down so that the middle bit opens up. Move it along and then lift up. This time, we're going to do another bit on the other side. So grab a bit more paint if you need to. Go over the line again. And then this time we're going to come round here. There we go. Let's do that again. There's your stem. Press down, slide along a little bit, lift up, nice and slowly. Do your stem again if you'd like. and then bring it round to make a fatter leaf. How does that feel for you? Get a bit more paint, a bit more water if you need to. Again, don't worry about the consistency for now. Keep going with what you're doing. Same thing. You can leave them as single leaves, or you can make them a bit more rounder. Another thing that you could do, again, still keeping it simple, get your leaf down exactly the same way, lift up. I'm going to do that again on the other side just to make it a bit fatter. Get the same colour that you're using and just pop it onto the ends. And that will flow nicely into the leaves. Again, it depends on the paper you're using. You might not get exactly the same effect. Let's do that again. Your leaf. Let's go down this time. Like so. Lift up nice and slowly. And again on the other side. To make a fatter leaf, lift up, get a bit more paint, add it on to the ends just to give it a bit more of a definition. And that's it. That's all you're going to do. Let me know what you thought in the comments, if that helped. Like I say, it was just going to be a very quick, short episode for you to just get back into it. And like I say as well, if you would like to leave a comment, I will upload a leaf picture if that is something you are interested in. I'll see you in the next video where we will add some colour. We'll still carry on with leaves for now, but different colours, and we'll add some stems to it and join it all up together for you. See you in the next video. Bye.